Are you the type of person that buys online and never gets cash back? Are you eager to make some money whenever you use your card? If you are, then this is the video for you. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you with details about how to use your Rakuten, how to create an account, how to know your referrals, and how you can share them, and many more. I did a video about Rakuten months ago. You can check it out. I'm going to leave a link here. The main reason why I'm doing this is because a lot of you have been asking me a lot of questions on my Instagram, so I'm here to make another video showing and answering each and every question I had. So I hope this video is going to help you to start using Rakuten. What is Rakuten? When I spoke about Rakuten, some of you thought that maybe it's a scam or it's like you gain money only when you refer people. No. When someone tells you about Rakuten, you need to know that Rakuten is a free app and a browser extension that gives you cashback whenever you shop through them. You can earn cashback through online shopping, physical stores, dining, travels, and many more. You'll be asking yourself, why is Rakuten paying me for going through them? So I'm going to explain how it works. Stores pay commission to Rakuten whenever buyers like you and me shop through Rakuten. And Rakuten share those commissions with you and me as cashback. So it is a win-win. I'm going to give an example. Nike gives a commission to Rakuten whenever customers buy through Rakuten and buy from Nike. So Nike gives, for example, $50 to Rakuten whenever a customer shops from Nike. So what does Rakuten do? Out of the $50, Rakuten might take, this is an example, maybe $20, maybe $10 out of the commission they got from Nike and gives it to you as cashback. Rakuten has over 3,500 stores, so there's everything for everybody. There are categories from clothing, travel, electronics, pet, baby and toddlers, and many more. I cannot explain that. You need to download the app and see it for yourself. Let's start by signing up. The first thing we are going to do is to download the app, the Rakuten app. If you don't want to download the app, you can simply go to their website, but I prefer you download the app so it's going to be easy for you to use it. And always remember that whenever you shop, you go through them. So that's going to be like a reminder for you. When you are done downloading the app, the next step is to create an account. You create the account with your desired email and of course your password. But before you click on the sign up button, make sure you have a referral code. I always say, I repeat, and I beg each and everybody to have a referral code. If you do not have a friend who uses Rakuten, you can use my referral code LADESU. I'm going to put it here, and of course I'm going to leave it in the description box, so please grab a referral code. Why am I insisting on referral code? And the main reason why I'm pleading and asking you guys to use a referral code is because you get $30 for using a referral code. You get $30 and I get $30. So that is why I am begging and pleading and reminding you to use a referral code. $30 for free, just because you use my referral code. That is why it is important to use a referral code. From Rakuten homepage, you can see the deals that you have, the categories that you have, your account, and a double cashback stores. So you can see everything in the homepage. If you don't want to go through the process of going under categories and stuff like that, then where the search box is, what you're going to do is type what you are looking for. If, for example, you're looking for leggings, right, you can type leggings and Rakuten is going to show you the stores that sells leggings. If you have a main store in mind, you can type the name of the store. It can be Nike, it can be Samsung, anything. Rakuten is going to show you the store if they're associated with the store and show you the amount of cashback you are going to get with that store. When it's time for you to buy, all you do is, of course, you go to Rakuten, and Rakuten is going to direct you to the store, and you do your normal shopping as if you were shopping in the store without Rakuten. When you are done shopping, it can take some days for the store to confirm to Rakuten that you actually bought something. So please be patient if you don't see your cashback right away. Just like when you buy something online, the store does not take your money right away, right? It might take a day or two because they want to confirm with the bank. So it is the same way with Rakuten. To find your personal referral code, you simply go to the homepage of Rakuten. You click on Refer and Earn, which is located at the top of Rakuten homepage, which should be on the right. You are going to see in a box www da 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 da, and then it's going to have the letters written in capital is your referral code. So if you don't want to share your link to someone, just type whatever you see as capital letters and give it to your friend or your family member. That is your referral code. This is not limited. If you have 100 people that always shop online, give them your referral code so you can earn $30 and they also earn $30. Whenever a first-timer Rakuten user purchases something within 90 days, if you purchase for more than $25 from whatever store you buy, then you're getting $10 extra plus the $30 for using your friend or my referral code. And both of you get $40, $40. As I said earlier, this is a win-win. If you do not use a referral code and you buy something above $25, what you are getting is just $10. And of course, if you don't use a referral code and you purchase and it's not up to $25, what you are getting is only the cash back that you saw for that store. So that is why it is important to use somebody's referral. If you don't buy more than $25, that's fine. You are still getting $30 for using a referral code. This is a tip I'm going to give you. Do not try and play the system, you creating maybe a second account just to get money. If you have a sister or your husband at home with the same address, yes, that's fine. But you as the owner, if they realize that the two accounts that you created with maybe different email but the same name for payment, they are going to merge those accounts as one. So do not play smart. You are going to see the person's name in your referral activity. Your referral activity is found under your referral code. You click on your profile. Your profile is the last thing under. You click on settings. The next step is to click on contact us. The next thing that you're going to say is how can we help? You're going to click on refer a friend. When you click on refer a friend, the next thing you're going to see different options. You're going to see your options and you choose whatever problem you have. They're going to ask you for your friend's name or sometimes your friend's email and you submit. Make sure both of you do it. So if, for example, my friend's name is A, if A forgot to use my referral, then I have to do it. I go to my own account and then my friend A goes to her own account and does the same thing. I am complaining my friend used my referral and forgot, so they are going to ask me for my friend's email and then they are going to ask my friend A for my email or my referral code. One person can do it, but I'll advise you that both of you should do it. The same process is for if you are missing cashback. For example, you bought from the store and you are not seeing the cashback from that store. You choose your profile settings and then you choose your problem, and that's it. You send them a message and then they're going to contact you. So make sure you check your email. If you have any concern, just go through the same process I just showed. The payment is done after every 3 months. You choose the type of payment that you want. They have PayPal and then they have a check. No matter how you want them to pay you, they always want you to put your address because they want to verify that you are human and you are not a scam. And how can you add your address? You go to your profile and then you click on where it says how to get paid. You will only add your card information if you would like to earn in-store cashback. That is the only time that you are going to put your card information. If you don't want to do anything like in-store cashback, then you don't have to put your card information. Rakuten is available in different countries, so make sure you check if it is available in your country. You can use Rakuten in any country as long as the store you are buying from is willing to ship to the country you are located. Whatever cashback you see today is not the same amount of cashback you're going to see tomorrow. So guys, let's make use of these beautiful apps like Rakuten, where it gives us money for shopping rather than going into the homepage of the store online and not getting cashback. I'll be coming with more legit apps that gives cashback. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. If you have any question, make sure you leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you for watching.